These exponent mistakes are destroying your math grade. Let's check them out and correct them. Mistake number 1. Adding exponents when you should multiply the base. For example, 2 raised to power 3. Here, students confuse exponents with multiplication and they think 2 raised to power 3 means adding 2 3 times, which is incorrect because the exponent tells you how many times to multiply the base by itself, not how many times to add it. So the correct way of doing this would be 2 times 2 times 2 equals 8. Now mistake number 2. Multiplying instead of adding when combining like terms. For example, x square plus x square equals x raised to power 4. Now here students see two terms with same exponent and think they should combine the exponents. But remember, when adding terms with the same base and exponent, you add the coefficients but keep the exponent same. Only when we are multiplying, then we add the exponents. So the correct way of doing this would be x square plus x square equals 2x square. Now mistake number 3. Forgetting the negative sign with even exponents. For example, minus 3 raised to power 2 equals minus 9. Here students forget that multiplying two negative numbers gives a positive result. And for that we follow a key rule that says that whenever a number is negative with even exponent, the answer would always be positive. And whenever there is a negative number with odd exponent, the answer will always be negative. So now if we solve this correctly, the answer would be 9. Mistake number 4. Thinking 0 exponent equals 0. Let's take an example of 5 raised to power 0. Now here 0 in the exponent looks like it should make the whole thing 0. But remember, any number except 0 raised to the power of 0 equals 1. So let's correct our answer. 5 raised to power 0 is equal to 1. Now mistake number 5. Applying exponents incorrectly to addition or subtraction. Let's take an example of x plus y whole square. Now here students think exponents distribute over addition like they do over multiplication. And they solve it like this, which is incorrect. Because exponents do distribute over multiplication like this, and which is correct, but they do not distribute over addition, which is like this, and which is incorrect. So let's correct our answer and write down x plus y whole square is equal to x square plus 2xy plus y square.